The second card says, simplify your life, which means we complicate our life too much. We all need to make our life a little bit more easy.
Simple.
Okay. Third card is saying, wait. Don't make conclusions. Just wait. Don't give up. Wait. Don't think this is the end of it. This is the beginning of something really nice. The angels are telling me I need to pull out 2 more cards, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out 2 more cards. There is positive energy that we are going to feel at the end of the program, which is brilliant. And the last is we need to break free from whatever we are holding on to. So I'm really, really thankful to the angels. I always get them in the show. And I did last time at the end. Today I got them in the beginning. I want to tell you that this is a beautiful platform which is called Get Set Up, which is a virtual platform on which we are giving education to the seniors, and people who are giving education are guides like me, who are also 50 plus. So basically, it's a beautiful thought to connect with people and spread the knowledge and help everybody to spread their wings around. So I'm really, really grateful that each and every one of you is here. I also need to tell you that we will be recording this program. So it will be nice if you know that, and it will be great if you can keep your windows open so that I can see you and you can see me back properly. If you have any problem between the program, just put the chat over there and I will look at it. I've also put a link over there for a feedback. I will put in so that you can go and fill the feedback form right at the end of the program. So I'll be very grateful if you could do that right at the end of the program. We will halt before we do our meditation, and I will tell you to go and fill up this feedback form. So today's topic is, let me take you to the slide. Today's topic is how to deal with loss and grief. Before we go any further, I'm going to pull this slide off. I want to ask each one of you, I'm going to tell you my story and why this topic is so important for me. So today in the afternoon, I went to the doctor and my doctor said that the tooth that he had fixed, the cap, has got broken and I might lose that tooth altogether. Now for someone like me, I find it very difficult to have the idea of not having my tooth there. And I felt very embarrassed. I didn't want to show to anyone that, and I was so worried if I smile, my tooth is going to, the one which is inside and not there is going to be showing up. I'm sure you faced a story like this back in time. So I would love it if all of you could share, have you ever lost anything? When I say lose, we lose money, we can lose health, we can lose a loved one, we can lose a connection with our kids, and that lost our kids. So कोई भी लॉस हो सकता है. लॉस का मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि कुछ चला गया. लॉस का मतलब ये भी है, लॉस का मतलब ये भी है कि हो सकता है कि कुछ लूज नहीं किया है, but we are still feeling, oh my God, I will lose something. Like during COVID time, I might lose someone, I might lose something, I might lose a job, I might lose money, I might lose my health. So we can have two kinds of losses. One which is perceived loss, जो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, and the other one, I'm not able to start my video, I'm not able to connect my video. Don't worry Usha, just stay where you are. Can you hear me? आप सुन सकते हैं मुझे? Usha, can you hear me? Okay. Beena ji, can we unmute, and if you can speak a little bit about any losses that you have felt in your life. Thank you. I really appreciate. Just unmute yourself if anybody wants to share if they have had any losses in their life. Yes, Nitya ji.
I'll tell. Shall I speak?
Please,
Yeah,
Nitin.
I lost my husband last 4 months back.
Condolences to you, and we will be working on it today. And thank
Yeah,
you very,
please.
for very
I'm
brave.
not, still I'm not able to come out.
I hear you, ma'am, and we are going to work on it today. And I'm very grateful that you are here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
To share? Anybody else would like to share?
Ma'am, I'll say.
Please go ahead, Jyoti.
Ma'am, when I lost my grandfather, I was very attached to him. And that is the only time I didn't want to do anything, because I felt the biggest loss till today I have. I wish he was still there.
Thank you so much, Jyoti. I am so thankful to you for sharing this. Meanwhile, before we go further, all of you are going to start doing this. You're going to start tapping here like this. Just tapping like this slightly. Can you all do that?
Yes.
Very good. Remember to breathe and keep tapping like this. If you can't tap like this, then on one hand, okay, or on the other hand, or like this. Just start tapping and remember to breathe. I want others to share, please. Yes, ma'am. Can you please share?
Hello.
Yes, Geeta ji, share
Hello.
करेंगे. Yes,
Yeah.
Geeta.
Yeah. When I lost my father in one day, sudden this. So it's a very shocking to me. It's a 5 years back. But
Oh
I
my,
am very much attached with my father. And in one day, all of a sudden happened.
much for sharing that. So a lot of death is coming up, and we will work on it. Thank you so much, Geeta ji, for sharing.
Ma'am, I want to share. I'm
Rani,
Rani here.
please, Rani.
I have lost a very close friend of mine in COVID, and it was all of a sudden. I'm still not able to come out of that shock.
Thank you, Rani. My heart goes out to each and every one of you, that the losses that you're saying are huge losses. It's not like one tooth that I lost today. Usha ji, would you like to share anything? Usha ji, would you like to share anything? Any losses?
Yeah, I actually lost my brother. He was very close to me. And it has been 10 years almost, but I still can't get over this thing. He was very, very close to me. I still remember him and I start crying. I don't know.
Just start tapping, ma'am. All of us need this. And I am so humbled that all of us are here today to share in our sadness. Navneet, Naveen ji, you have anything to share over here? Naveen, Pari, our ma'am, Earth ma'am, so beautiful. Her name is said that she is Mother Earth. Anything you want to share, ma'am?
Lost my husband, but it is quite some time. But the whole family has not been settled after that. We are facing a lot of problems.
And I just want you to first, all of you, close your eyes for a minute. Whoever you have lost today, it may have been a sudden death. It may have been a death that you saw them unwell. I lost my father 2 years back. I'm going to just evoke the connection that you had with them and tell them today in your mind's eye that we still care for you. You can say loudly, I loved you and I still love you. I loved you and I still love you. Keep breathing. I loved you and I still love you. You can take their name and say in your mind's eye, I loved you and I still love you. And my heart still wants to connect with you. And my heart is still connected with you. Slowly into the room. I'm going to take you through various stages of what we do when a loss like that happens in our life, especially death. We've all lost someone here. Either it is 10 years back, 4 months back, 2 years back, my father wasn't there. Though I knew that he wasn't going to be there in my life for very long. He was ailing for about 10 years. Yet, his absence has always been felt by me. I haven't been able to cry after he left this planet Earth. Somewhere, this whole feeling that I had to be strong and I have to be always knowing what I'm doing did not let me break down, cry. I still feel his presence. So I'm going to take you to the first slide of what happens, and please keep tapping. Please keep tapping because it's going to bring up the emotions that we need to deal with. So what's the difference between a real loss? Real loss is what we all have gone through. A loss of a loved one, a loss of someone so dear to us that we don't know what to do. What are the different kind of losses that people have gone through, especially during the COVID time? They have lost a loved one, they have lost income,
Yes.
many lost health and freedom. I'm not touching more than this because this itself makes it quite a bit. To all of you, I'm going to take your paper and pencil and please write down this. Thank you. There was a lady called Kubler-Ross, Dr. Kubler-Ross. She did a lot of research on people who were dying, on children who were dying. And she found out that there are 5 stages. Some say there are 7 stages. But she came up with simple 5 stages and later said there are 7 stages. To keep it simple, I am only giving you 5 stages. The first stage is I go into denial. Denial means, oh my God, ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं है. Even if I lost the person 10 years back, I still am not ready to believe they're not there in my life. And this denial can go on for years and years and years. Then comes anger. That anger can be against ourselves, against God, against the doctors who couldn't save the person. If it was an accident, then it could be on the road, it could be the motorbike, it could be the person who died. We feel angry. We feel angry that how could you leave me and go? We feel angry with doctors. They didn't do a good job. We feel angry with the pharma industry that they didn't give the medicine that was required. They didn't create one. We get angry with God. Look, what wrong did my person do that you had to punish me and this person and take him or her away from my life? The next stage that comes after the anger calms down is that of bargaining. What is bargaining? We sit down, we pray to God and we say, I'm sorry, God, I was angry with you. I'm sorry, doctors, that I was angry with you. Can you find another way? Can you create something else over there? If I'll be a good girl, maybe things will get better. When you lose a human being, the only bargaining that you can do at that time is that I don't lose myself with the person who is gone. So a lot of people sit down with the bargaining. And the next stage is depression. We'll be going into each stage thoroughly. Next stage is depression, where you feel so low, you're crying and sobbing and you just can't stop yourself, and everybody's telling you, बस कर, उसके लिए ऐसे ही अच्छा था, accept कर, you know what will happen tomorrow, if his soul will cry, you mustn't do this, you mustn't do that. They give you a lot of this talk and you are not able to contain yourself. पता ही नहीं लगता कब रोना आ जाता है, खड़े खड़े रोना आ जाता है. And why? We don't know why we are crying, but we are crying. And then the last stage is the stage of acceptance, where we accept, okay, this happened to us and now we need to work on it. Now, Kubler-Ross found that people who are going through a loss or grief go through these stages. And these stages are not like it will happen, पहले denial ही होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. पहले anger हो सकता है, पहला depression हो सकता है, पहला acceptance हो सकता है, and suddenly you get into denial. So there is hard and fast rule that it has to be like this only. And there is no hard and fast rule that this has to stay for this long only. I want to know how many of you have, I would really appreciate if each one of you would unmute and tell me, where do you think you are? Are you in denial? Are you in anger because a person left you and went? Are you bargaining with God right now? Are you feeling you're in depression? Do you
Yes,
feel?
I'm in. Yeah,
Yes.
I feel depression.
Thank you, Nitya.
'Cause I start crying for whoever calls me. I start crying.
Very good.
I feel guilty.
Very good. Can I tell you that depression is very good, Nitya? I tell you that if you cry, there was a problem. Can you just please record yourself and tell, I am doing something amazing, I'm letting the tears go. Nitya, can you do that for your?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, because what we feel, we are not being strong. We should not cry. What if I give you permission? Can you say this loudly? I give permission.
I
give myself permission.
I give my permission.
Give myself permission.
Give myself permission.
Cry if I want to.
Cry if I want to.
Because tears are going to heal my soul.
Because tears are going to heal my soul.
I felt loved by this person.
Yeah.
And attached to this person, right? So again, out to cry. Can you say that loudly, please? Can we all do this? Can we?
Your voice is breaking. Can't hear properly. Voice is breaking.
Is it any better now, Nitya?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's
okay. Is it any better now?
Yes.
Is anybody else having problem with the voice? With my sound?
No, now better. Now better.
No. Okay. So what we are going to do is we're going to tap on that I cry a lot when I have lost. Can we all start with that?
Right.
Anybody else who's feeling depression? Anybody else who's feeling depression? Anybody else who cannot control their tears even today? Anybody else who cannot control their tears even today? Okay, that's fine. Can we all tap with her? Even though, all of you, please. Even though, you will say these words. Even though.
Even though.
I'm feeling. Sad all the time.
Sad all the time.
I feel like crying all the time.
I feel like crying all the time.
Because I still feel attached to the person who's left me and gone.
Because I still feel attached to the person who left me and gone.
I'm still an amazing person.
I'm still
There's
an amazing person.
There's nothing wrong with crying.
There's nothing wrong in crying.
There is nothing wrong with crying.
There's nothing wrong in crying.
And that's what Kubler-Ross found out. That there is nothing wrong with crying. crying is a natural way of expressing sadness. Can we understand that? Top of the head.
Yes.
So what
Yes.
if I cried? So what if I feel sadness? Very good. Be very delicate. Tapping on top of the head. So what if I am feeling? You can speak loudly in your spaces. You're
Okay.
muted anyway, so speak loudly with the words that I'm saying. So what if I'm sad?
So what if I'm sad?
So what if I feel like crying?
So what if I feel like
I
crying?
give myself permission not to be strong today.
I give myself permission to not be strong
Very good. In
today.
between the eyebrows, even if I feel sad at times,
Even if I feel sad
I feel
at
like
times,
crying,
I feel like crying.
I'm still a strong girl.
I'm still a strong girl.
I'm still a good girl. I'm still a good woman.
girl. I'm still a good woman.
I'm allowed to cry.
I am
Side
allowed
of
to
the
cry.
eyes,
Yeah.
I give myself permission
I give
to
myself
express my
permission
emotions today.
to express my
Take a
emotions
deep
today.
breath. Release it through your mouth. Take a deep breath. I give myself permission.
I give myself
And
permission.
if the tears roll down your eyes, it's okay. Don't
And
stop them.
if tears roll down your eyes,
It's okay for me to
Don't
express my
stop them.
emotions today.
It's okay to express my
It's
emotions
because I
today.
am a beautiful human being, a
It's because
sensitive human being.
I'm a
Under
sensitive
the
human
eyes,
being. Yeah.
even though
Even though
I feel
I feel
very, very sad,
very, very
and I
sad,
cannot make sense of why am I crying so much.
and I cannot make sense of why
I'm
I'm
allowed
crying
to
so much.
express
I'm allowed to
my
express
grief and sadness with tears.
my grief and sadness with tears.
I'm allowed to cleanse my soul.
I'm allowed to
It's
cleanse my
because
soul.
I'm a beautiful human being.
It's because I'm a
I'm a
beautiful human
sensitive
being.
human being.
I'm a
Very
sensitive
good.
human
Under the
being.
nose. Even though I'm crying and expressing myself,
Even though I'm crying and
I
expressing
can allow
myself,
myself to do this
I can allow myself to do
because
it
I'm a sensitive human being.
because I'm a
I'm
sensitive
allowed to
human.
express my anger.
I'm allowed to
Guys,
express
if the
my
tears
anger.
roll down your eyes, allow them to. Don't
If
stop yourself.
tears roll down your eyes, don't
In
stop
the
them.
lip area, in the chin
And,
area,
yeah,
I'm allowed to express myself.
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 Even though it's so much of sadness,
Even though so much of
I'm
sadness,
allowed to express myself. Nitya,
I'm
how are you
allowed-
feeling?
I'm feeling
Sadness
better,
is
slightly.
increasing or decreasing?
No, it's decreasing.
Nitya, how are you feeling? Is the sadness increasing or decreasing?
It's decreasing. Decreasing.
Nitya, can you hear me? Is the sadness
Yes.
increasing or decreasing?
No, it's slightly decreasing.
Please unmute yourself and tell me, is your sadness increasing or decreasing?
It's decreasing.
I think she cannot hear me properly.
I
Even
can,
though,
yeah,
right here,
even though.
your bone is there,
No,
right
she
on
is
that bone.
saying it's
Very good.
decreasing. She's
Even
saying
though.
it's decreasing.
Even though.
Yes, Usha ji,
No, she's
saying
saying
something?
it is
Yes, better,
decreasing.
better.
I can't hear you at all.
I'm better, feeling better.
Even though
I
am crying all the time and feeling sad,
I'm crying all the time
I'm
and feeling
allowed
sad,
to express myself.
I'm allowed to
Can you
express
put in the
myself.
chat how you're feeling, near Nitya? How
Okay.
are you feeling?
Yeah, I'll put.
I can't hear you at all. How are you feeling? Better. Good. Continue. Anusar, they are talking. Okay. Okay. Let's keep tapping. And right here on the fingers, even though I'm
Even
feeling
though
sad all the time
I'm
and I
feeling
feel
sad
like
all the time.
crying,
And I feel
It's
like
okay
crying.
to let the tears roll down my eyes.
It's okay to
Take a
let
deep breath,
the tears.
guys. A very deep breath. A very deep breath. Come on, guys, all of you, take a deep breath through your nose, out through your mouth. Through your nose, out through your mouth. Through your nose in, out through your mouth. Keep tapping. I'm going to just come back. I'm going to pull out 3 cards for you from
Yes.
your husband. 3
Okay.
cards as a message from him to you. Are you ready?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Just do this if you're ready.
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
Good. I'm pulling out 3 cards on his behalf for you as a message that he wants to send to you.
Okay.
He's saying there is a decision you have taken. Maybe it is to attend a class today. Maybe it is to do with the will. Maybe it's to do with children. Maybe it's to do with something. And
Okay.
he's saying, Nitya, that you've made a wise decision. Congratulations.
Thank
I'm
you.
going to pull out 2 more cards where he's speaking to you and telling you what he wants to do.
Okay.
He's asking you to eat well and stay healthy, not
Oh
to
my
give
God.
up on yourself. Please eat well, laugh a lot, stay healthy, stay happy is what he wants for you.
Okay.
I'm going to pull out 1 more card for you, Nitya.
Yeah.
And he's saying, this is a time that you should give yourself. You have given me a lot of time, lot of love. Now is the time Nitya must give herself that kind of time and that type of enjoyment and that type of love to herself that she has given to me. I wish, Nitya, I could hear you. Unfortunately, I cannot hear you at all. It would be brilliant if you put down in the chat later how you feel about this. My
Yes.
angels are telling me that he's saying I need to pull out 2 more cards. So I'm going to pull out 2 more cards for you, Nitya.
Okay.
One
Okay.
is saying, do you play music, Nitya?
I
Do
like
you play
singing.
music?
No, music I don't play. No.
No.
Singing.
Did you in
Singing.
your childhood ever play music?
No.
No. Did you ever, were you fond of any kind of singing?
Yes.
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 So he's saying, please go back to your singing. Go back to your singing and you will find yourself. The last
Okay.
card.
Okay.
He's saying, reward yourself. You've done a lot of hard work. So can we all just please hold Nitya together? Imagine you're holding Nitya like this, all of you. You're just holding Nitya like this. And send her a lot of love. Close your eyes. Hold Nitya like this. Connect with her heart. And tell her, I love you. I love you, Nitya. This is a time to reward yourself. This is a time to sing. This is a time when you've taken wise decisions. This is a time for you to connect with her. You may feel a lot of energy between your hands. Good job, guys. Just keep giving her a lot of energy, a lot of love. Can you feel some energy between your fingers? Good,
Yes.
guys. Can you feel some
Yes.
energy in your fingers? Suman, can you feel
Lot
any
of energy.
energy?
Lot of
Rani,
energy.
Yes, lot
Yes,
of
yes.
energy.
Usha,
Yes,
Jyoti.
lot of energy.
Very
Yes,
good. Very
Yeah.
good. Just hold her and tell her you are not alone. We are there with you.
You're not alone. We are
We
there.
are there with you. We will always be there with you. Very good. Just giving her, and Nitya, all you need to do is stay in receiving. Open your heart.
Yeah.
Open your heart
Huh.
and allow yourself to receive this love that is coming your way. Allow
Yeah.
yourself to receive this love that people are sending you. You are very precious. You mean a lot to us. Stay with that.
Yeah.
Stay with that. Very good. I'm going to go further and go into the slide of depression so that we really understand what she's going through. When she's going through depression, or any one of you who's feeling extremely sad all the time, this is what is happening. What is happening is depression is natural. It is a nature's way to shut our nervous system down so that we can adapt with something we are not able to cope up with. So depression is not bad. It is good thing that is happening. It is situational. It is not going to be with you forever. Allow this sadness to flow in form of tears. Do not suppress your healing, because tears are healing. You may feel that you are alone and isolated. You may experience fear. You have to have patience to allow these feelings to pass away. So how many of you have experienced this kind of thing before? Sharing time, guys. How many of you have felt like Nitya? I will start with myself. When my kids left home, this is about 12 years back. My daughter was 12 and a half and my son was 15. I sent them both to a boarding school. And when they left, I felt so sad, Nitya, that I would stand everywhere and cry. And I did not suppress my tears. I just allowed people to see my tears. I allowed them to see my wounds because I was going to be honest to myself. Who would like to share over here? Beena ji, Geeta ji, Jyoti. Yes, ma'am, please. Please go ahead.
When my husband died, my children were young. Within 20
What's
days.
happened to my computer? I can't hear anybody. Can you write this down, whatever you're saying?
Can I continue?
Can somebody else say a hi to me so that I know that it's not just...
I think you should continue. There is some issue with Anu's computer. She's not able to hear, but we all can hear you nicely.
Shall I do it?
Yeah, please continue.
When my husband died, my children were young and he was looking after a small scale industry. So within 20 days, I was told by his friends to please go to the factory, otherwise you would lose everything. So I started going to the factory.
Like shutting it off, because if I switch it off.
After 1 month, my son he was doing, at that time he was doing his MBA. So he said, I'm going out, I'm tired today. And so I slept in the hall waiting for him to come back. And at that time, I heard a clear voice telling me, why, Daritri, why are you sleeping here? Go and sleep in the bedroom. That was the first I had interaction with him, and I went and slept. Then after on my birthday, that is, he died in December. In February, on my birthday, I got a dream that he is wishing me for my birthday. And then, and he gave me advice what to do in the factory, that he gave me. Then every month I was, he was coming or talking to me. Once my daughter came, she was in Pune, she was studying. She came to Nasik and she slept with me. At 4 o'clock in the morning, she started crying. I said, what is the matter? She says, Daddy says, inside the drawer, there is one photo of all of us. Please put it on outside. So that is what happened. Then last
or can I do something? I will unmute. I will go out and come back again. Will that be okay?
Yes.
Can you all
Yes.
join back again?
Yeah.
I will go out and join back again.
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know whether that's because then I don't have the same link.
But we can hear you now.
Got the voice.
We can hear.
You can hear me. I got your voice back. Thank you so much. I don't know what.
We can hear you.
Yeah, wonderful. So, how did you feel? Where is Nitya? Nitya is gone away. Okay, anybody you wanted to share, ma'am? Please go ahead and share.
So in the 11th month, he told he was suffering from cancer. He died of cancer. So in the 11th month, he told me that I've given you all a lot of trouble. I'm sorry, but from now on, I cannot come. And after that, I never saw him again. So every time I would see him in the night, I mean, in the a dream or like that. But after 11 months, it stopped completely. And but I never cried. I could never cry because I had a lot of responsibilities with my children, and I had to go to the factory. I had to do so many things. So that is why you said to cry, but I did not cry. But even today, I am, that kind of a loss is there.
I can imagine. And we're going to work on it. Nitya, how did you feel?
Yeah, I'm feeling slightly better.
Good. Jyoti?
But my main problem is both the sons are abroad. I'm alone here. So that is what is, making me more...
At all of us. We are all your family.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
We are all your family. And you can connect to us, and Get Set Up is such a beautiful channel which is connecting all of you. You're never alone. I want you to know that you're never alone.
Okay.
You tapping on being alone, but I want to share first. Usha ji, yes. How did you feel?
Yeah, I'm feeling slightly better.
Slightly better. Can I work on one person? It would really, really work, but let's first finish these slides. I want you to get it that we could be, I'm going fast again, we could be in denial where you're saying, how can this be happening to me? I can't believe that this has happened to me. It feels like a bad joke. You could be angry. In that anger could also be a form of sadness, panic, hurt, loneliness, where you're feeling anger is about that one did not see the situation coming. I did not see that he was going to go from this world. I did not see that this was going to happen to him or to her. I wanted to kind of, hold that situation together, hold the person together. Anger may be directed towards yourself, to others, to God, or even to the doctor. Anger may be about being left behind and not having enough resources, including time. Like so beautifully, she shared that I could not even cry because I had to go to my responsibilities. There could be anger because of this, because so much of responsibility fell on one person. Then we are bargaining with the God and saying, maybe I didn't ask God properly. Maybe if I asked God properly, things would be nice. And then we've already looked at the depression and acceptances, that we accept that this is our new reality. And only when we accept does the healing start happening. So I want to now work on one person. Usha ji, can I work on you? And all of you, can we do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, so can you tell me what situation is?
Situation like I lost my mother in January.
Can I see your picture? Is that possible or no? Thank you. I'm going to put Usha under the scanner so that we can all see her. Yes, Usha, explain what has happened, and all of you start tapping, please.
Hard to share. She used to ask me for help, and I was never able to help her in the manner she wanted.
Okay. So I couldn't help her the way she wanted me to help her, right? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Even though
Even though
I could not help my mother
I could not help my mother
the way she wanted me to help her.
the way she wanted me to help her.
I am still a very good girl.
I am still a very good girl.
I'm still a very good daughter,
I'm still a very good daughter.
even though I couldn't help her
Even though I couldn't help her
the way she wanted me to help her.
the way she wanted me to help her.
I did help her the way I could help her.
I did help her the way I could help her.
I still make a very good daughter
Still, I could make a very good daughter.
because I never gave up. Did you give up, Usha?
No,
No, very good. On top of your head. I couldn't help her the way she wanted me to help her.
I couldn't help her the way she wanted to help me to help her.
I yet helped her out in my own way. Did you help her out in your own way?
Yes.
How did you help her out in your own way?
What was best possible for me?
Very good. You did what was best possible for you.
I did whatever best possible for me.
Very good. In the middle of the eyebrows, even though I couldn't help her the way she wanted me to help her.
The way she wanted me to help.
But I did the best I could.
But I did the best I could.
I couldn't help her the way she wanted me to.
Couldn't help her the way she wanted me to help.
But I helped her the way I could help her.
I helped her the way I could help her.
Very good. Splendid. Under the eyes. Even though I couldn't help her.
Even though I couldn't help her.
The way she wanted to help her.
The way she wanted me to help her.
Yet I could help her.
Yet I could help her. In my own way.
What are the ways you could help her? Do you remember? Do you remember how you helped her? Do you remember how you helped her? Usha,
yeah,
can you tell us? Can you share it with us? How did you help her?
Whenever she wanted something, time, food.
I gave in time. What else?
The food, the type of food she wanted.
Very good. I always cooked the kind of food she wanted.
I always cooked the type of food she wanted.
Very good. Anything else you did for her? You spoke to her.
I don't remember now.
You spoke to her on the phone, didn't you?
No, I used to tell her not to call me daily.
Okay, that's fine. Even though I did not allow her to call me daily.
Even though I did not allow her to call me daily.
I yet spoke to her. How many times a week? How many times a week?
Now later, maybe once or twice a week.
Once or twice a week, even though I couldn't talk to her every day. I yet spoke to her. Twice a week?
Twice a week.
Very good. How does that feel when you realize that you actually spoke to her twice a week? How do you feel?
Better.
Okay, very good. So how much is the guilt now, Usha? Remember you started with guilt when I was doing the tapping. You said, I feel very guilty. How much is the guilt right now?
Little less, but it is there.
Okay. What is the guilt about?
Same thing that I could not do whatever she wanted.
Right. So, but you did whatever you wanted to do, right?
Yeah, the best I could.
The best you could. So you did whatever the best you could. And how does that feel?
Keep very nice to me.
Keep tapping. Close your eyes. See your mother there, right in front of you. Connect with her. Very good. Go tell her whatever you want to tell her right now. Keep tapping. And all of you, please do what she's doing. Go connect with your mother. right now. Go few minutes before she died. Connect with her and tell her whatever you wanted to do, whatever you wanted to tell her that you haven't been able to tell her. And you can tell her, Mom, please forgive me that I couldn't do the things the way you wanted me to do.
I couldn't do the things you wanted me to do.
Gita, did you love her? Gita, Usha, did you love her?
Yes.
So can you tell her that?
Yes.
Mom, just because I didn't do things that you wanted me to do,
Mom, just because I couldn't do the things that you wanted me to do.
It may have felt at times.
It may have felt at times.
That I didn't love you so much.
That I didn't love you so much.
But I really loved you.
But I really loved you.
Okay, take that breath in. Ask your mom. You can give her a hug. You can tell her whatever you want. And see the angels coming to take her. Her gurus coming to take her. Sister standing right above in the sky. And see her going away. With her angels, with her gurus. And her mom and dad waiting for her up there. See her happy. Take a deep breath, all of you. Release all the stress. Take a deep breath. Release all the stress. How are you feeling? How are you feeling, Usha?
Better.
Good. I'm going to remove messages from your mom for you. I'm not doing it, guys, so that I can work on at least one or two more. I want you to, she's saying, look deeper into your soul and ask yourself what it meant for you. So there is still some work left here. Did you and she have a lot of fights, Usha?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what she's saying.
Not fights, but difference of opinions.
Yeah, that's what she's saying. Look at the difference of opinions we both had. And she's saying she's very happy where she is. She's in the heaven.
That I can see.
Very good. Very good. So can you now tell her loudly, Mom?
Mom. Can't hear you.
Mom, I today know that you are fine. Can you hear me now?
Mom, I today know that you are fine.
And you are in heaven.
And you are in heaven.
I release myself.
I release myself.
Of all the guilt.
Of all the guilts.
Close your eyes and imagine all the guilt cords that you have around you. Imagine all those guilt cords. All those guilt cords that you've held. All the guilt that you've held because you had difference of opinion. It's okay to have difference of opinion. Imagine you're taking off all these cords and wherever they were attached to your body, you're removing all these cords and sending. See each wound that has happened because you're releasing the cords, getting ointment and medicine and healing. Usha, release her. Don't release her The guilt stays with you. So see yourself releasing all this. See yourself releasing all this. Very, very good. Before I go to the last person to work on, because we have last 10 minutes, I would really appreciate if you could go on the form, and if you could please go and put the feedback. Thank you so much. Appreciate if you could put the feedback.
Thank you, Anuji.
You're most welcome, my dear. Most welcome. Can you see the feedback link on the top? Can you all see the feedback link on the top?
Where it is? No.
No.
No, it's not seeing.
अनु मैडम ये रिकॉर्डिंग हम लोग को भेजते हैं आप लोग?
रिकॉर्डिंग
मैं आते वक्त लेट हुआ, मेरे को ये चाहिए था, इसका सुनने का था आपका लेक्चर, मुझे लेट हुआ ज्वाइन होते वक्त।
अनीता को बोलूंगी।
हेलो,
मैं अनीता को बोलूंगी कि आपको भेज दे, ठीक है?
ओके,
even I joined late, so I would like to get the recording, if it is possible.
Recording, please, please. I want that.
Yes,
मिस हुआ, बहुत दुख लगता है, लेट हुआ ना, मिस हुआ। अभी फिर से नहीं होएगा ना आपका ये लेक्चर?
पता नहीं मैम, मैं आपको
फिर हम
when is your next session? Anuji, when is your next session?
I don't know when is my next session, but
because it was not mentioned, your name was not mentioned in the session, so
हम लोग को मालूम नहीं था।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी हम
प्लीज सेंड करो रिकॉर्डिंग, प्लीज सेंड
बाय 10 मिनट्स। मैंने फीडबैक दिया है, बिल्कुल भेज दूंगी आपको सुधा जी।
अच्छा, ओके, फीडबैक हम लोग का सेंड का ये करते हैं
मैम। मुझे आई एम नॉट गुड एट कंप्यूटर्स, व्हाट डू आई डू? गो टू चैट,
चैट में लिंक,
पुट द लिंक,
चैट में लिंक डालिए मैडम, लिंक नहीं दिख रहा है चैट में।
देन
चैट में लिंक नहीं दिख रहा, लिंक डालेगा तो हम लोग डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, लिंक नहीं दिख रहा है।
ओके, अब दिख रहा है?
अभी
दिखा।
फिल करे। I can work on one more person to work.
फिर से दिखाइए ना, हम लोग के भर के हो जाता है, फिर वो देखते हैं।
Work on me, please.
Who is that?
I'm Rani.
Rani, okay. Please, can I see your face?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, yes, Rani. Can you tell me what is the situation?
The situation is, I lost a very close friend of mine due to COVID. She passed away due to a heart attack, and I was with her when she had fallen sick. She was told she's suffering from viral, but I think there was a delay in her treatment, and she was also very hesitant to do the test. And somehow after a few days, she passed away. And I just can't accept it that she's not there. And I myself got COVID. And I still can't accept that she's not there.
Okay, Rani, let's work. Let's not waste any time because this is really important. Close your eyes. Start tapping.
Close. हम लोग भर दिया मैडम. We are done.
Thank you.
किधर है फॉर्म? फॉर्म नहीं दिखा मेरे को. I couldn't see
लिंक को प्रेस करो.
Even though, Rani, you have to say with me, even though, unmute yourself, Rani, my dear. I've muted everybody, just unmute yourself. Even though, I'm in denial.
I'm in denial.
I don't want to accept.
I don't want to accept.
That you don't want to accept?
That my friend is no more.
I don't want to accept that my friend is no more. Keep tapping. I don't want to accept, even if you tap on one side, it's enough. Don't worry. Just keep tapping here and close your eyes. Don't worry. Keep your eyes closed. Okay, thank you. what is it you're denial with? That your friend is no more. And
Yeah.
so I don't want to accept.
I don't want to accept.
That my friend is no more.
That my friend is no more.
What is the benefit of not accepting that she is not there anymore?
There is no benefit, there's only loss.
Thank you. What are you doing right now that you will not be able to do if you accept she is not there anymore? ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं आप जो नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर आप ये accept कर लें कि वो इस दुनिया में नहीं है anymore? What are you doing right now, Rani, that you will not be able to do, that you'll have to stop doing if you accept the fact that she's not there in this world anymore?
I will not be able to move around here because we used to do everything together. Everything we used to do together. We used to practically spend the weekends together with our families, which I can't see in the near future.
I can't accept that she has gone, because if I accept she has gone, then I will not be able to move around. Because I used to do everything with her. Keep, all of you please tap because it helps her. Keep tapping. When you are tapping, she's receiving all the healing, guys. Okay, what is it that you are not doing right now that you'll have to start doing? ऐसा क्या नहीं कर रहे हो जो तुम्हें शुरू करना पड़ेगा? एक बार तुम एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे कि तुम बिल्कुल जुड़वा की तरह थे, लेकिन अभी तुम्हें अपनी जिंदगी को आगे खींच के लेके जाना ही है.
I'm not able to concentrate on my own family, that is my husband and my son. I again and again my thoughts go back with her memories, and it is very difficult to cope up with the routine also. I'm just forcing myself to getting back to normalcy.
Yeah. So can you stop forcing yourself?
Okay.
Can you give yourself permission not to force yourself?
Okay.
Okay. So what if you didn't force yourself anymore? What will change for you?
If I don't force myself, I feel very low and I don't feel good, and I feel sick myself.
Right. So you know that you can't be forcing yourself, but you have to move on.
Yes.
Do we have to force ourselves to move on?
Yes, we have to force ourselves to move on.
Or can we naturally move on?
In my case, I have to force myself to move on.
Okay. Go back in that time and see where else have you to force yourself to move on. Go through your entire life and tell me where other places that you had to force yourself to move on. और दूसरी जगहों पे देखें आपको कहाँ अपने आप को फोर्स करना पड़े था आगे मूव करने के लिए. कभी ऐसे पहले भी हुआ था क्या आपके साथ?
Yes, when I lost both of my parents.
Very good. So you know what has happened? Open your eyes, Rani. Your friend's loss has triggered the loss of your parents. How many years back did you lose your parents?
I lost my father 6 years back. I lost my mother 1 year back.
So everything has come together. Okay. Keep tapping. Even though I haven't allowed myself any kind of work. Have you done any work on this?
No.
Even though I have never worked on myself.
Even though I've never worked
on myself.
On myself.
After my mama went off, papa went off, and after my friend went off.
After my mommy went off, after my daddy went off, after my friend went off.
I can allow myself today.
I can allow myself today.
To work on myself.
To work on myself.
Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Release. Take a deep breath. Keep tapping. Don't forget to tap. Release. Take a deep breath. Release. Even though back in time I've lost very important people in my life.
Very important people in my life.
I'm lucky
I'm lucky
that I still have my husband and my son.
my husband and my son.
I want you to get all these three people. First, let's get your father. Connect with him. Connect with your father. Go tell him, Rani, whatever you have to tell him. Meanwhile, I'm removing the cards for you. Go tell him whatever requires to be said. Was he very fond of sweets?
Not much. He was a very simple person. All homemade food.
Yeah, but was he very fond of sweet?
Not really.
Okay. Interesting. 4 cards that have come out for your father is he wants you to have sweetness in your life. He's expecting you at that time to look after your mother. He wanted you to look deeper into your life, and he's saying he's in the heaven. So I'm going to pull out the cards and show you. How can you say, how can you connect right now? I'm going to pull out 3 cards from your mom right now. Keep tapping. All of you, please hold her like we did before. Hold her like this and keep sending her healing. Keep sending her a lot of love, because it's not easy to lose 3 people in your life. It's just not easy. Very good. I need all of you to just hold her. Thank you so much.
I just wanted to know, what do the cards of my father say, ma'am?
The cards of your father said that he wants you to have sweetness in your life. You were probably going through a lot of, or he was going through a lot of stuff at the time, even though he was a simple man. He wanted you at that time to look after your mother, which you probably did.
Yes, I have for both of them.
Yes. And he wants you to look deeper into your life. And he's telling you he's in a very good place. He's in heaven right now. Thank you so much for holding everybody. I'm going to pull out cards from your mom right now. Your mom is saying, and always believed in looking at the good side of everything. She survived her companion for after him for 6 years. For 5 years, she was there holding you and you holding her. Look deeper, look with optimism. I'm not pulling out any more cards. It feels like she doesn't want to be disturbed. And I'm going to pull out cards from your friend. I want you to connect with your friend right now. Rani, close your eyes, connect with your friend, and tell her how you're feeling. Tell her how you're feeling. I've jumped 8 minutes of this class. Tell her how you're feeling. I'm not going to leave you guys just like this. I understand that this is a difficult topic. So just breathe, all of you guys. Tell her how much you love her. Tell her how difficult it is for you. Are you by the, I don't know why it feels as if you've taken a lot of guilt on yourself and said you could have saved her in some way?
No, I was with her rather.
Good. Can you tell her you did the best you could?
I've done the best for her till the end.
And you know that?
Yes.
Good.
She used to always bank on me for everything, take advice from me for everything.
And she's saying, you found the right statement. And that is you, she's agreeing with you and saying, yes, you did the best you could. But it was her time to go. Rani, can you release her today? Can you see the angels coming and picking her up?
Yeah.
Can you release her today? Can you see the angels coming and picking her up? Very good. Let me know when the angels really are able to carry her up to the sky and you can say goodbye to her. It just feels one more card, nothing more for her. It's saying, manage your stress is what she's saying. Manage your stress right now. You don't need to be stressed out about her. Let me know when you see that she has moved on. She's asking you to make a wish on her behalf. Make a wish, the last wish on her behalf. All of you do this, guys. Make a wish on the behalf of the people who have left you. Make a wish for them. Make a wish for them. How are you feeling?
Yeah, better.
Good. Bring your power back to you. Bring your power back to you. Hold your power inside you. Good. Do this right in front of your chest. Bring your power back to you. Feel the power coming into your fingers. Feel your fingers getting warm. Feel that power moving like light inside your body and going inside your heart. Thanking the soul which has left, saying, I loved being with you every minute. And now is time for us to say goodbye. Even though this is the most difficult goodbye of my life, I allow myself to say the ultimate goodbye today. In your mind's eye, hold them like this. Give them lots of love. Tell the 3 magical words, I love you. I love you. I've always loved you. I will continue to love you. But I release you today. And when you say I release you today, open your arms and allow yourself to release them today. Very slowly and taking all that into your heart. All of us, let's connect with our hands. Imagine that we are holding hands with each other. We are radiating light towards each other. And can we tell each other today, we are there for you. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. Thank you, Ronnie, for trusting. Thank you for everything. Thank
How
you.
do we connect to you personally, ma'am, if we need to connect to you?
I put my number here. Okay. I want you to know that there are beautiful classes like this happening every day on Get Set Up. Please do not sit alone. Please connect with these classes and connect with your life back. You are not alone. And Get Set Up and everybody on Get Set Up is basically doing a phenomenal job of connecting people together. I personally love each and every one of you. We are all soul sisters and soul brothers and sisters. So thank you very, very much for being there. Before we go, and I know I have jumped up.
Where are you based?
I'm in Bombay. I'm just going to play the gong so that you release all the sadness before you go.
Ma'am, can you share your number, please?
I put it in the chat.
I can't see it, ma'am.
Please.
Not
Okay.
seen, ma'am. Can't see.
Okay, now it's there. Last 2 minutes before we go off, it's the gong, and allow all the stress to move off. Last beat, release all the stress and release all your loved ones. Bid them farewell and say goodbye to them. Thank you, everybody. Stay well, stay happy. You have a tapping technique with you. Please practice that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anuji.
so much.
It was very nice
Good.
session.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Excellent.
Thank you.
Reach you.
Very nice session.
Thank you,
Love
Sudha.
you, really.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sudha. Thank you, everybody.